We'll guide you through how to download DaVinci Resolve, the powerful video editing tool. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your web browser and type in the official website for Blackmagic Design, which is blackmagicdesign.com. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Products tab at the top and hover over it. A drop-down menu will appear, where you should select DaVinci Resolve. This will take you to the DaVinci Resolve product page. Here, you can see an overview of the software and its features. Look for the Download Now button, which is usually prominently displayed. Click on it, and you'll be directed to a page where you can choose between DaVinci Resolve and DaVinci Resolve Studio. DaVinci Resolve is free, while the Studio version requires a purchase. For this tutorial, we will focus on the free version. Select DaVinci Resolve. Next, you'll need to fill out a form with some basic information like your name, email, and country. After completing the form, click on the Register and Download button. The download process will start automatically. Once the download is complete, open the installer file. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. You might need to agree to the terms and conditions and choose the installation location on your computer. After the installation, you can find DaVinci Resolve in your Applications or Programs list. Launch the software, and you're ready to start editing your videos with this robust tool. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.